Right now, one person in your home knows where the water shutoff is. One person knows the alarm code, the furnace filter size, and which breaker kills the kitchen. If that person travels or gets sick, the whole house runs on memory that just walked out the door. The Household Operations Manual and Home Reference Binder writes down how your home actually runs, so anyone can step in. It's a clean tabbed workbook that works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. You get a home summary, home systems and shutoffs, utilities, a maintenance schedule, emergency contacts, and an If I'm Away page. Fill it in once, and your household stops living in one person's head. Start with the home summary. It's the single page someone needs first: the address, the Wi-Fi, the alarm code, where the keys are kept, and who to call. Print it, pin it to the fridge, and a house sitter is oriented in under a minute. The Home Systems and Shutoffs tab is the heart of it. Water main, gas valve, the electrical panel, the water heater, and the heating and cooling, each with where it is and how to turn it off. When a pipe bursts at night, nobody should be guessing which handle to turn. The Utilities tab keeps your providers and account numbers in one row each: power, water, gas, internet, and trash, with who to call when the lights go out. No more digging through email to report an outage. The maintenance schedule turns easy-to-forget jobs into a simple calendar: filter changes, smoke alarm batteries, gutter cleaning, and the water heater flush, with when you last did each one and when it's due again. Small upkeep, done on time, keeps repairs small. Emergency Contacts gathers the people you'd want in a hurry: the plumber, the electrician, the heating company, a trusted neighbor, and your insurance details. So a bad day doesn't start with a frantic search for a phone number. The If I'm Away page is built for house sitters and family. Feed the pets, water the plants, take the trash out on the right day, and here's what normal looks like. Hand it over, take your trip, and stop worrying about what you forgot to explain. There's one safety rule that keeps this binder usable. Write down where things are and how they work, but keep the file somewhere trusted, and never mix your account passwords into the shared pages. A home manual should help your people, not expose you. Prefer Google Sheets? One click. Open the link in your download, choose Make a Copy, and the whole binder lands in your drive, ready to edit, and it's yours to keep. Not a subscription app that hides your home's records behind a login and disappears if the service shuts down. You'll find the Household Operations Manual and Home Reference Binder at ardentworkshop.com or on Etsy. Get your whole house out of one person's head and onto one page anyone can follow. Own it, don't rent it. From Ardent Workshop.